Assalamu alaikum. This is me Afsha Afridi from TechCrafts, and today we are going to discuss how to remove background from an image. First of all, we will have to open Photoshop in our desktop. We will learn how to remove background from an image later, but first let us discuss why should we learn to remove background from an image. The first reason I am going to tell you is that you can remove background from an image and sell your work on Fiverr, Upwork and other freelance platforms. Another reason I would like to tell you is you can make polished presentations by removing backgrounds from an image and create professional visuals that is suitable for your presentation, portfolio or marketing. And you can also remove background for just tweaking an image or editing an image. It's very useful and helpful. So come and let us learn this new skill in Adobe Photoshop. Let's dive in. After the Photoshop gets open, we will open the desired image we want to edit. After the image opens, we will go at the left corner in the toolbar and select the quick selection tool as highlighted in the video. After selecting that, at the ribbon or the menu bar above, you can see we will have to select the select subject, which is the AI of Photoshop, which will automatically select you the main subject or the thing that is highlighted in the image. As you can see, Photoshop has done quite a good job, but there are some imperfections we have to correct. As we are in the quick selection toolbar, and we can use the negative or positive selection mark to select our subject. After that, your subject is perfectly selected. Go ahead on the layering mask and apply it as I have shown in the video. And voila, there is your background removed from the image. Now let us try it on another image. First, we'll open our image in Photoshop. Once the image is loaded, head over to the menu bar and locate the quick selection tool. It looks like a paintbrush with dotted outline. With the quick selection tool selected, you will notice an option called select subject in the menu bar. Click on it. Now brace yourself for the magic. Photoshop algorithm kicks in and does a fantastic job of automatically selecting the subject or background. It's like having your very own digital assistant for image editing. Now let's take the next step, applying the layering mask. With the subject selected, find the layer mask icon at the bottom of the layers panel and give it a click. Voila! The background disappears, leaving your subject perfectly isolated. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to remove background. Just like that, you have added a powerful skill to your creative toolkit. Thanks for watching and joining me in this tutorial. But don't go anywhere just yet. I'll be back in the next video with more exciting tips and techniques. I'm eager to hear your suggestions for the next topic, so feel free to drop your ideas in the comment. Until then, take care and goodbye. Allah Hafiz until we meet again.